Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include heated front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.